Hi, my name is Rebecca Maynor, and I'm here to talk to you about bringing MLearning technology to our classrooms and our district. If you're not sure what MLearning is, it's the use of digital media, educational resources, and/or applications that are designed for learning via handheld, portable devices such as tablets, smartphones, and/or laptops. You may have also heard about mobile learning. That's the other term for MLearning, and obviously MLearning just shortens it. This can be brought to our district through Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD, and a 1-to-1 ratio for tablets or laptops. Most of us have already been using MLearning without even realizing it. We pick up our phones, we go and we search Google for an answer. We use the same thing for our tablets and our laptops, so we're always using MLearning. So it'll be really good to have it in our schools. The MLearning initiative that I want to see in our district is a 1-to-1 ratio for tablets or laptops. Some advantages are compatibility. Compatibility with applications can be rough at times if we have multiple different devices, especially when it comes to Apple and Android for tablets and phones. Some of our LMS systems or some of our Google sites may not work on each device equally. This brings us to equality. And equality is having that uniform integration of technology. Everybody will have the same computer or tablet, so there's no, oh, I have a better one and you don't. Everyone's equal. Some other things are organization. Flexible learning, students are now able to use their device at home so they can continue their learning at home. Collaboration, students can now collaborate when they're not in school as well. They don't have to be sitting next to each other. They can work on items at home, and less paper usage. Some challenges: cost to buy all these technologies, cost of repairs if something gets damaged. Maintenance, we'll have to have people who know how to keep up with the technology and how to fix them, keeping up with the updates, troubleshooting, and any other updates that we would need to have our MLearning in our school. Access at home. Students would need internet access at home. This could be a tough discussion. Some people don't have internet at home, and we would have to think about that, or even putting out some money to get some hotspots. My rationale for this, for MLearning, is we now can really utilize personalized learning, assistive technology, and just an everyday usage in this new technology realm. For personalized learning, there'll be level learning. It'll all be individualized and student-paced. If a teacher is done their lesson or in small groups, students can work at their own pace on their level. Assistive technology, we can have special websites or apps that help our students that need it, and also makes us IEP compliant. For everyday usage, students do not have to worry about signing out carts, sometimes laptop carts or tablet carts. Students can help each other with the same devices, and students won't lose their assignments like we know when they put in their backpack. Some considerations are sustainability, safeguarding student data, teacher experimentation, and measuring impact. So just as a summary, I am suggesting 1-to-1 ratio of technology of tablet and laptops. Pros: equality, compatibility. Cons: can be a little costly, and we can also see a rise in personalized learning, assistive technology, and everyday usage.